2 online is a success. So there are different kind of successes, और आप अपने हिसाब से उसको मेजर कर सकते हैं कि सक्सेस को किस अचीवमेंट के लेवल पे लेके जा सकते हैं. Now, actually what is success and what are failures? Your life is all about the journey from womb to tomb, from a mother's womb to the tombstone. Your life is all about, ध्यान से सुनिएगा, all about the journey from womb to tomb, and between the alphabets of life B and D, बीच में क्या आता है? C, that is challenges. Okay, so I'll explain you with an example कि आप एक plane में बैठते हैं. How many of you have traveled in a flight? Say I in the chat box. Okay, very good. So have you ever seen the pilot being trained? Anybody? No, right? We have not seen the pilot being trained, but we still sit in the plane because क्या हमें पता है कि उसकी ट्रेनिंग बराबर हुई है, वो लैंड कर पाएगा या नहीं, वो गाड़ी उड़ा पाएगा या नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. So that is the reason that B is your takeoff, D is your landing, that is your birth and death. And what comes in between, जो आप पायलट पे भरोसा करके ऊपर हवा में जब रहते हैं, that are your challenges. Small challenges which you overcome are known as life. जो छोटे छोटे challenges हमारे लाइफ में, आज आपके लिए एक चैलेंज है मैथमेटिक्स का सब्जेक्ट पास करना, वो पास किया आपने, वो हो गया सक्सेस. कल आप बड़े हो जाओगे, आपका सक्सेस होगा इंजीनियरिंग करना, आपने कर लिया, वो हो गई सक्सेस. So that is what success, and that is how you overcome challenges. So life is between the alphabets of B and D, that is birth and death. What lies in between is C, known as challenges. Most importantly, before learning what success is, this is what my favorite quote is and what I have always followed. Learning what success is learn to respect your failures. Because if you learn to respect your failures, you learn to respect your success too. जब तक failures को respect नहीं कर पाओगे, तब तक आप success को respect नहीं कर पाओगे. And failures and success दो पहलू हैं, तो साथ में चलेंगे. कभी success होगा, कभी failure होगा, कभी success होगा, failure होगा. आज you have वैशाली मैम ने मेरे achievements बताए. Sometimes even I feel that I should also give my failures too. काफी बार फेल हुआ हूं मैं भी, but that doesn't mean that me as a person is a failure. वो एक जोन था, वो एक पार्ट था जहां मैं फेल हुआ हूं, but definitely आप as a person कभी फेल नहीं होते. तो you have to respect your failures, you have to learn from your failures. ये नहीं होगा कि कल परसों कोई टेस्ट में आप फेल हो जाओगे, फिर बोलोगे अरे मैम वो अभिनव आए थे, उन्होंने बोला था कि फेलियर्स तो आते हो रहते हैं, ऐसा वो नहीं है. But if you fail by chance, don't be that much intimidated by failure. You have to respect your failure, you have to learn from your failures, because until and unless you respect your failures, you will never ever respect your success. Because my friends, it is very easy to gain success. Believe me, very easy. इतनी सी मेहनत करोगे ना एक चीज के पीछे, सक्सेस आ जाएगी. But to maintain and digest that failure is very important. वो सक्सेस हमें पचानी आनी चाहिए. वो कब सीखेंगे? जब हमने फेलियर देखा होगा. तो नेवर एवर रन अवे फ्रॉम योर फेलियर्स. सो यू हैव टू रिस्पेक्ट योर फेलियर्स. और जैसा मैंने अभी बताया, इट डजंट मैटर हाउ मेनी टाइम्स something doesn't work, that doesn't mean you are a failure. अलग अलग चीजें में हम अलग अलग बार फेल होते हैं, कुछ चीजों में सक्सीड होते हैं, कुछ चीजों में फेल होते हैं, but that doesn't mean we as a person are failures. हमारे कुछ स्ट्रेंथ्स होते हैं, हमारी कुछ वीकनेसेस होती है. जैसे मैंने कहा मुझे मैथमेटिक्स पल्ले ही नहीं पड़ा, तो वो मेरा एक फेलियर था, but that doesn't mean कि वो मुझे पीछे बांध के रखेगा. And also success is everywhere, you just need to identify your successes. छोटी छोटी सक्सेसेस करते रहोगे, आपका खुद का कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा. आज एक सक्सेस हुई, कल दूसरी सक्सेस हुई, तीसरी, चौथी. I always tell people, I have a younger brother like you all who is in 12th. I always tell him that don't compare yourself to the topper of the class or anybody else. You yourself are your competition. पिछली बार अगर 68 आए थे तो इस बार 78 आने चाहिए. मेरे 78 आ गए, मेरा सक्सेस है, मुझे 90 नहीं लाना है. लाना है ला जाए, बहुत बढ़िया बात, बट अपने आप को एवरी डे कीप ऑन इंप्रूविंग, स्मॉल स्मॉल चेंजेस, कीप ऑन कीपिंग टेकिंग योर स्मॉल स्मॉल चेंजेस इनटू योर लाइफ, छोटे छोटे चेंजेस करते रहो, लॉन्ग टर्म में वो बड़ा बेनिफिट देगा, कंपाउंडिंग होती रहती है उसकी. सो सक्सेस इज एवरीवेयर, यू जस्ट नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई इट एंड हाउ टू वर्क ऑन इट. Okay, breaking the barriers. This is my favorite part. Throughout my 26 years, I have faced barriers every time I chose to overcome rather than returning it back. When I was in 10th and I passed with a handsome amount of marks, as I told, I am not at that much smart student. I was an average student. So somebody said to science नहीं कर पाएगा. मैं बोला चलो ले लेते हैं challenge. ये barrier भी तोड़ देते हैं. When I completed 12th, one of my very close, he's very close to me. I adore him as my guru. He just said to me, "तू कैसे engineer बनेगा रे?" Like this. "तू engineer नहीं बनेगा." I said, "कोई बात नहीं, ये challenge भी ले लेते हैं." Then when I went to college, I have studied from Pune, so a lot of things which were coming in between me was my language, because I didn't know the local language there, and the people there did not know. Some of the people who were extreme, came from extreme local side, did not know Hindi. Some were from other part of the world, other part. I'm sorry, sorry to say that. Other part of the world, other part of the country. So other part of the country, they didn't understand my language. So I had a mixed breach of my class. And somebody said that आज तक तो यहाँ का लोकल बंदा ही क्लास रिप्रेजेंटेटिव बना है, और तू कैसे बनेगा? तू जहाँ इंटरव्यू दे दे, कोई बात नहीं. मैं बोला चलो ये भी कर लेते हैं, क्या ही प्रॉब्लम है. When I became the hostel secretary in my college, people still said कि आज तक यहाँ सिर्फ लोकल लोग ही हॉस्टल सेक्रेटरी बने हैं भाई, क्योंकि यहाँ तो मैथ्स वाला किसी की सुनता नहीं, सबकी यही चलती है, और अपना तो कुछ चलता नहीं है. अपने बाहर से आए हैं तो ये लीडरशिप अपना अपना काम नहीं है, नहीं तो पढ़ाई छूट जाएगी. बोला नहीं, चलो ये भी कर लेते. So I again became the hostel secretary. When I went at an inter-region debate competition that was organized by an MBA college, and maximum MBA students were there, and I was the only one from engineering college. Due to I used to go regularly from colleges, the college sent me there also. So one of the guys says, ये सब MBA वाले हैं यार, तू कैसे करेगा ये सब? मालूम है ये सबको प्रेजेंटेशन सिखाया जाता है, कैसे प्रेजेंटेशन देना है, कैसे बोलना है, इनका तो हर हफ्ते प्रेजेंटेशन होता है, तू कैसे कर लेगा? बोला चलो ये भी देख लेते हैं कैसे होगा. I was the only person there of non-MBA category. I won that competition among 60 participants from Maharashtra and Goa, because I know that barrier तो मैं तो तोड़ के निकल जाऊंगा बॉस. बैरियर मुझे बैरियर से फर्क नहीं पड़ता, मैं वापस नहीं जाऊंगा, आया हूं तो उसको फोड़ के जाऊंगा. So that was the thing. When I joined my father's business and I took hold of his second unit, at that point everybody said ये टाटा वालों के साथ काम करना बहुत मगजमारी है यार, ये लोग तो बहुत compliances रहते हैं, ये रहता है वो रहता है, अपने को समझ में नहीं आता, इनकी वर्कशॉप प्रैक्टिस ऐसी रहती है, वो है. I said चलो ये भी कर लेते हैं, क्यों नहीं हो सकता. Every time somebody said to me ये नहीं हो सकता, I said क्यों नहीं हो सकता, करेंगे और होगा ही होगा. That positive mindset in your mind that yes I can do it, and after that एक बैठ जाता है ना दिमाग में, ये करना है, फिर उसको छोड़ना नहीं है, फिर करते रहना है. अगर ये चीज somebody says ये नहीं हो पाएगा, ask him क्यों नहीं हो पाएगा, मैं करके दिखाता हूँ कैसे होता है. That is the mindset you always need, and that is you are at a very tender age. Somebody can influence your brain, somebody cannot influence your brain. Don't let people influence your brains. You should know your potential, and you should always understand what your actual potential is. Okay. Then when I became the youngest president in BNI, somebody told me from my chapter itself that you are too young to become a president. You see, you are at 26. How will 100 business people who are double of your age will listen to you? Why will they listen to you? They are successful in their businesses. You are just a normal guy 2 years into business. How can you become the president? I said, बाकी जो बनते हैं उनके सींग लगे क्या? नहीं ना, सब डिजर्विंग है, मेरिटोक्रेसी है, सब मेरिट पे आते हैं, तो मैं भी करूंगा. And I again became the president. So it's all about your brains and the challenges you take up. Don't let barriers stop you, my friends. Don't let barriers stop you. जो बैरियर है ना उसको तोड़ के निकल जाओ या उसको खोलने का रास्ता ढूंढ लो, बट बैरियर को तोड़ के निकलना बहुत जरूरी है। नहीं तो हम एक बैरियर में और एक जियो फेंसिंग में रह जाएंगे, वहीं पे हम उससे बाहर नहीं निकल पाएंगे कभी। एंड देन लास्ट आई हैव रिटन, आई लव दिस लाइन, whatever you do it with passion, because always remember, skill is cheap but passion is priceless. Skill is cheap, passion is priceless. अगर पेन और पेपर लेके बैठे हो तो लिख लो, स्किल आपके पास होनी चाहिए, स्किल आपकी बहुत इजीली अवेलेबल मार्केट में है। एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर आई एम टेलिंग यू, व्हेन आई हैव पीपल, आई लुक इनटू देयर पैशन, कि उनको कितना पैशन है काम करने का, कितना पैशन है समझने का। Skill is very cheap, anybody can hire you on basis of your skill, but the boost which gives you is your passion. So always remember, ऐसा एक दो चीज होती है दिमाग में बिठाने वाली, इसको फिट कर लो, skill is cheap, passion is priceless. You need passion to follow your dreams. Dreams can be achieved by passion and not skill. एक ड्रीम बनाया है, उसको पैशनेटली फॉलो करो। Okay, so goal setting. Okay, so how many of you have done goal setting? I guess we are from 10th, 11th and 12th. So you are at a very good age of setting your goals. How many of you have done goal setting? Write I in the chat box. Okay, so now let me know what goals have you, in one or two words, of what are you planning to become? Doctor. Shashwat says he wants to become a doctor. Very good. Harit wants to become automobile engineering like me, a fellow, my automobile engineer. Shrushti says she wants to do BA. Trish Tejura wants to be a businessman. Trish, I want to know what kind of businessman you want to be. Kavya Sujani wants to be a finance advisor. Very good. Jay Soni wants to do full business. What kind of business? Artika Mishra wants to be a CA, space scientist. Oh my God. BBA in Australia. Okay. I want to become a CA, doctor and IAS officer. You want to be both. Okay. I want to do BSc in agriculture. Very good. Architect business. Oh, I'm loving the answers. Thank you very much. Okay. So we'll now know goal setting. Why should we set goals? Because goals give us a long-term vision. जब आप विजन सेट करते हैं, जो बोल रहे हैं मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है, set your visions like that. At this point of time, make a timeline. Okay, make a timeline. The person who wants to become a doctor, he is in 12th today, 2021. 2022 he'll be passing out, graduating from 12th. Okay, now where you want to go in college, at what degree you want in doctorate. Samjho you need to be a dental doctor, you need to be a physiotherapist, you need to be a surgeon, you need to be a MBBS. Make that list. Okay, which college you want to go, where you want to go, make that list. At what year you will be passing out, graduating from your medical profession. After that, what you will be doing it. Just make a tentative schedule. That manifestation will help you achieve your goals, because it is a long-term vision. Okay, now they give you a short-term motivation. So how come your short-term motivation? If you are in 10th or in 12th and you need to go for doctorate, you will start your research today. What colleges to go, what help you should get, where you are getting admissions, everything you need to know that, so that you have set a long-term vision. Now you have a short-term motivation to achieve that. Now goals give you focus. You get a focus that you need to become a doctor, you need to become an engineer, you need to become a CA, you need to become a aerospace engineer. Everything has a focus, that what you should do, and set your focus right there. If you are having a study table in your home, put it up on that study table. If you are having a bed, put it near your bed, so that every time when you wake up, when you go to sleep, you should understand that this is my goal. You get a target to measure against. जैसे मैंने बोला, टाइम बना लो, 2021 में अगर मैं ग्रेजुएट हो रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे मैं इंजीनियरिंग क्रॉस करूंगा, यहाँ पे मैं मेडिकल क्रॉस करूंगा. That is your goal. I had my goals ready when I went into engineering. कि भाई 2017 में पास होना है, 2017 से 2018 तक प्रैक्टिस करनी है, इंटर्नशिप्स करनी है, 2018 से बिजनेस पे जाना है, 2013 से लेके 2017 तक ये मुझे चीजें करनी है इंजीनियरिंग में. मेक अ डिटेल्ड प्लान. नॉट नेसेसरी उसको फॉलो ही करना है, बट नाउ यू शुड हैव अ डिटेल्ड प्लान. इफ यू आर इन 10th 11th में मुझे ये करना है, 12th में मुझे ये करना है. ओके, दे सेट अ फाइनाइट एंड पॉइंट. जब आप ये करोगे आपको पता चल जाएगा मुझे यहां से ये पॉइंट तक जाना है. From point A to point B, what all I need in between, you'll get it very clear. They hold on into time frame. Mind you, always keep a time frame for a target. Don't procrastinate of doing things के यार आज नहीं, ये कल करूंगा, कल नहीं परसों करूंगा. If you are getting that motivation, do it and hold it in a time frame. That this I have to do it. Medical 2026 में पास करना है तो 2026 में मुझे पास करना है. Okay, so that you have to set your goals into a time frame. ओके, एंड मैंने जैसे बोला गोल सेट करो, बिकॉज नेपोलियन हिल ने बोला है थिंग्स गेट मेजर्ड, थिंग्स गेट डन. सो यू हैव टू मेजर योर थिंग्स टू गेट योर थिंग्स डन. नाउ व्हाट काइंड ऑफ गोल्स डू वी नीड? हाउ गोल्स शुड बी. दिस इज योर गोल सेटिंग. इट शुड बी स्पेसिफिक. जैसा मैंने आगे समझाया आप लोगों को, स्पेसिफिक है, डॉक्टर बनना है, इंजीनियर बनना है. स्पेसिफिक, वेरी स्पेसिफिक. बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक, बिकॉज specific is terrific. ये भी लिख लो, पेन पेपर लेके बैठे हो. Specific is terrific. It should be measurable. Your goals should be smart. So S stands for smart, specific. M stands for measurable. It should be measurable. You could, आपको measure करना आना चाहिए अपने goals को, कि मेरा ये goal यहाँ पे खत्म हो रहा है, ये goal यहाँ से शुरू हो रहा है. That should be achievable. Make sure you always set achievable goals. Indeed, you have big goals, but achievable goals. Don't write कि मैं डॉक्टर बन के बराक ओबामा को ट्रीट करूंगा या करूंगी. Goals should be achievable, because at this tender age, if you are not getting your achievable goals, it will hit you hard. Better you set, currently you have to set an achievable goals. Okay, goals should be relevant. जैसा मैंने बोला, don't set it कि मुझे अभी मैं बराक ओबामा से मिलने जाऊंगा, वो कोई गोल नहीं हुआ. डोंट सेट कि मैं नरेंद्र मोदी से मिलने जाऊंगा, वो कोई गोल नहीं हुआ या कोई अचीवमेंट नहीं हुआ. दैट शुड बी योर करियर स्पेसिफिक. करियर से रेलेवेंट होना चाहिए, एंड जैसा मैंने बोला उसका टाइम फ्रेम होना चाहिए. हम लोग अगर 2021 में आज बैठे हैं, दिस इज जुलाई 2021, फिक्स इट टिल द टाइम यू सी योरसेल्फ अ सक्सेसफुल पर्सन, एंड दैट सक्सेस इज मेजर्ड बाय यू, नॉट मी, नॉट टीचर्स. दैट सक्सेस हैज टू बी मेजर्ड बाय यू ऑल. आपको डिसाइड करना है मुझे टॉप मोस्ट सर्जन बनना है, ये सक्सेस है. आपको डिसाइड करना है मुझे वापी में क्लिनिक खोलना है, ये सक्सेस है. सबका सक्सेस अलग अलग होगा. नॉट नेसेसरी किसी का सक्सेस अलग होगा. मेरा सक्सेस था मेरा ऑफिस पे आके बैठना, मेरा सक्सेस है. वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड इज स्टडीइंग इन जर्मनी, इट इज सक्सेस फॉर हिम. वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड इज इन अमेरिका डूइंग मेडिकल, प्रैक्टिसिंग मेडिकल, दैट इज दैट सक्सेस फॉर हिम. डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट सक्सेस यू हैव. सो यू हैव टू सेट दैट सक्सेस that time accordingly. Okay, so the goals should be smart and specific. Specific is terrific. And now it comes on your focus. You should always know your interests. आपका इंटरेस्ट आपको कहाँ पुल कर रहा है. Don't get what can say fascinated by others. समझ रहे हो भाई मैं आर्किटेक्ट बनूंगा, अरे तू आर्किटेक्ट बन रहा है, चल मैं भी आर्किटेक्ट बनूंगा. बिल्कुल नहीं. आपका इंटरेस्ट कहाँ लैग कर रहा है, आपको वो देखना है. कहाँ पीछे आपका इंटरेस्ट, किसके पीछे लग रहा है. ऑलवेज. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव टेकन एन एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट? कैन एनीबॉडी टेल मी इन द चैट बॉक्स? राइट आई. ओके, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू यूज गूगल? राइट आई इन द चैट बॉक्स. ओके, सो गूगल पे दुनिया भर के एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट अवेलेबल है फॉर 11th and 12th, not 10th. Okay, 10th also you can take it because it is different age groups के एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट होते हैं. Go on Google, utilize the internet for your benefit. एक भी मिनट आपका इंटरनेट पे फालतू का नहीं जाना चाहिए. उसका बेनिफिट उठाओ, उसका कोई भी. सी, I am not telling you stop using Facebook, stop using Twitter, or stop using Instagram. Even I am on these platforms. Even I use these platforms. But there should be a specific time for what you are using that, and how much productivity you are taking out of that. If you are using Google for anything except education, it is waste of money. Except getting your knowledge, it is waste of money, waste of time. Don't waste your time. Go on Google, search for your career options, search, take an aptitude test. Okay. So that aptitude test is very easy. That will let you know where your interest actually lies. Okay. So that is very easy. Take it. You'll know where your interest lies and what future do you hold. After that, if you think that this is not according to me and my interest is not that is not वो भागवत गीता नहीं है, तो उसपे जो लिखा होगा वही करना पड़ेगा. Depends on your interest. I'm telling you, बार बार बोल रहा हूं, आप लोगों को अपने आप पे भरोसा रखना है और अपने आप को देखना है कि मुझे क्या चाहिए. बाहर वाला कोई आके बताने नहीं वाला है. बाहर वाला बोलेगा उसे करोगे भी क्या जब खुद नहीं कर पाओगे. So you have to do it yourself. It is you who has to take that efforts. Okay. Choose a career path wisely with all knowledge. There is small and very thin line between information, knowledge and wisdom. मुझे सब पता है, मुझे सब आता है और मुझे सब मालूम है कि में भी फर्क है. माहिती, जिसे हम गुजराती में माहिती कहते हैं, नॉलेज मतलब हमारा ज्ञान हो गया और विजडम मतलब हमारी समझ हो गई. ये तीन चीजों में अंतर होता है. हमें सब चीज पता है इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हमें उसकी नॉलेज है. नॉलेज कम्स फ्रॉम एक्सपीरियंस. नॉलेज एंड विजडम बोथ कम फ्रॉम एक्सपीरियंस. Information just you can Google it, you can get it anywhere. Okay, so that is the thing. Always understand the difference between these two things. List out things you are passionate about. If you are passionate about photography, if you are passionate about mathematics, if you are passionate about your structures, if you are passionate about cars, list out the things and very carefully. See, I had a friend in engineering who came to automobile engineering. I'll tell you what happens if you don't research. See, this is a classic example of what happens if you don't research about your career. He was from Madhya Pradesh and he came and I said, भाई तू ऑटोमोबाइल तूने क्यों लिया? बोलता है मेरे को गाड़ियां बहुत पसंद है. बोला अच्छा है. Then I said क्या प्लान कर रहा है? बोलता है भाई मैं ना अलग अलग स्केचेस बनाता हूँ, गाड़ी डिजाइन करता हूँ एंड मुझे इसलिए बहुत पसंद है, इसलिए मैंने इंजीनियरिंग लिया. Now automobile engineering is not about making sketches and making drawings. That is the difference. अगर उसने रिसर्च किया होता तो उसे पता होता कि डिजाइनिंग is a whole different aspect. It does not fall under engineering. Engineering falls under how things work. So if you are good at designing and you love cars, you are made for designing and not for engineering. That is the difference. So choose wisely and ध्यान से देखो आप क्या करना चाहते हो और किस लाइन में जाना चाहते हो. रिसर्च करो. You all are smart generation who is born and you all are, I guess we call millennials. You all are millennials who use internet effectively. So you need to understand, आप लोग को पता होना चाहिए कि इंटरनेट को कैसे हम लोग इस्तेमाल करें. Okay, this is an era of creativity. एक era हमारे पहले था जो हमारे पेरेंट्स थे, वो era था मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का, हार्ड वर्क का, सारी चीजों का. अब era है क्रिएटिविटी का, इनोवेशन का. Innovation is the key. Look around what innovation you need to bring because you are the future of the nation, my friends. You are future of this nation. Mind you, after 5 years, you'll be called the future of the nation. Have you behaved? Have you worked? Have you behave? Have you work? Have you keep yourselves in front of people? You will be representing a nation if you go outside or inside. In India, internally, you are the youth of the nation. You are the brand ambassadors of the nation. Mind you, this is a very big thing I'm telling you all. You are the brand ambassadors of the nation. Look around you. Think about innovations because innovation is the key. You have to think about innovations in your line. If you want to go for engineering, you want to go for CA, you want to go for doctors, you have to see what thing can I innovate in this line? In this field, what innovation can I bring? क्योंकि इतिहास है ना, इनोवेशन करने वाले को सलाम करता है. थॉमस एल्वा एडिसन ने 300 साल पहले बल्ब बनाया था, लेकिन आज भी थॉमस एल्वा एडिसन मौजूद है. क्यों? क्योंकि थॉमस एल्वा एडिसन ने बल्ब बनाया था. So you have to understand that innovation is the key. Look around for your innovations. What innovations can you do? And bring in your creativity. आज के दौर में जो चीज लैक कर रही है वो क्रिएटिविटी है. कहीं ना कहीं हम उसे लूज कर रहे हैं. Look around yourselves. You can bring in your creativities. Because I'm telling you again and again, you people are the person who will shape future of this nation. We together will shape the future of this nation. So we have to understand what changes we can bring in so that we become a powerful nation, because we are the person who are going to shape the future of this country. Parents ka ho gaya, they are 40, 45, 50. They have lived their life. They are now living it for you people. They are living it for you, earning for you. Make that very clear. No parent at this point is earning for themselves. They are done with their lives. They are doing it for you people. So you have to understand that fact and behave like that, guys and girls. Okay. And a career should be based, I'm again telling you, career should be based on your interest and not what's trending. आज ट्विटर पे या इंस्टाग्राम पे 4 लोग रील बना रहे हैं तो हम भी रील बनाएंगे. जो चीज ट्रेंडिंग होती है ना, आज ट्रेंडिंग है, 5 दिन बाद नहीं होगी, शायद 1 दिन बाद ही ना हो, शायद 4 दिन बाद ही ना हो. वी ऑल आर द जनरेशन हु आर यूजिंग इंस्टाग्राम. एक चीज 6 महीने पहले चल रही थी, आज चल रही है. There are every day there are new memes. Every day there are new things coming up. So the thing which is trending, don't go after that. Aerospace engineering बहुत चल रहा है अभी, चलो aerospace engineering कर ले. नहीं, हमारा जो skill है हमें उसको follow करना है. Okay. So am I very clear? So can I see some yes in the chat box? Okay, thank you very much. We'll move to the next slide. Now, cultivating habits and hobbies. We started from success. We went to goals. We went to career. Now I am coming to habits and hobbies, which I think should be the most important thing in your life currently. Okay. So what habits and hobbies we have to cultivate? First one, sit with your parents at least twice a day. The wisdom which your parents can give you about life, no else person can give you. Remember, twice a day. I sit with my parents twice a day, once in the morning when we have tea together, once in the evening we have tea together. We have tea even at 8 o'clock in the night because it's a ritual. We follow, we sit together, we have tea or we have coffee, we have green tea, anything we have, but we sit together, whole family sits together, we discuss everything, because the knowledge about life, what parents can give you, the perspective of your parents, because उन्होंने हमसे दुनिया थोड़ी ज़्यादा देखी है. The perspective is great. If you are not doing this habit, if you are thinking कि नहीं अरे पापा मम्मी, never do that. Sit with your parents twice a day, once in the morning, once in the afternoon, whenever you get time, twice a day with both the parents. Cultivate that habit of yours. If parents are busy, tell them I need you for these 2 times, in the morning, in the night. We need to sit and talk. What? I don't know. We'll talk anything, but we'll sit and talk. No TV, no phones, anything. Just we'll sit and talk. Okay. So at this point of juncture, the bonding with your parents, the learnings which you get from your parents will stay with you forever, forever and ever, forever and ever. Okay. So always make this habit of sitting with your parents and talking them at least twice a day, talking about life, and never hide anything from your parents. Never ever hide anything from your parents, because parents ही आपकी ढाल है. One is parents and second is teachers. These both people are your shield in front of the world. So never ever hide anything from them. Always share everything. They will give you a better perspective. Okay. Now, always have a daily schedule fixed and never procrastinate. एक daily schedule हमें fix करना है. Get up at this in the morning. मेरा ये time है. From till afternoon I have my school. At evening I have this tea time talk. Between these I'll take rest. Between these I'll play. I'll use Facebook. I'll use Instagram. I'll do this. I'll do this. Make a fixed schedule. You need. I may be sounding some old school guy, but you need to do these kind of things for getting your things sorted. Never procrastinate. अरे ये वाला कल करता हूँ, चलो ना आज मूड नहीं है. Never do that, because कल कुछ और आने वाला होगा तो वो भी आगे चला जाएगा. Never do that. Always keep habit of making schedules. Even today, you see, I have this diary on my table. I keep my diary. I always write what, when I have to meet, what I have to do, everything. So you have to keep habit of making schedules so that you keep sorted. और इतना time मिलेगा ना आप लोगों को, जिसको अभी ऐसा लग रहा है ना मेरे पास time ही नहीं है. You can come have a tea with me. I'll explain you how to remove time from your schedule. Okay, so you have to make that schedules. Choose one sport at least. You have to choose one sport to play, be it indoor or outdoor. Okay, be it cricket, outdoor is right now not that much permitted, but yes, be it badminton, be it table tennis, be it cricket, be it football, not virtual games. Mind you, वो मोबाइल में फीफा खेलोगे, पबजी खेलोगे, that is not a sport. Physical sport I am talking about, you have to please, at least one you have to choose and you have to play, so that you get to know about sportsman spirit, you get to know about successes and failures in that game itself, and that will teach you something to an extraordinary level. Focus on extracurricular activities. When you will be moving to your college, you'll have a herd of people around you, If you want to stand out in them, if you want to stand out with them, and that is what I did. If you want to stand out in them, choose an extracurricular activity, be it debate, extempos, dancing, singing, anything. Choose that. You will be standing out amongst them. Okay. So choose one extracurricular activity. If you need, I'll share these slides with you so that you can understand more. Okay. Now, my favorite part of this, habits and hobbies. That is, you should read at least a book once a week. Habit of reading books. How many of you read books? Please write I in chat box so I should know how many intellectuals do we have here. Harit says yes. Srushti says yes. Srushti says yes. Jinta says yes. Ashwat says yes. I. Okay, very good. Which is your favorite book? Let me know. Who can tell me which is your favorite book? Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Okay. Think Like a Monk. Okay. Only two people? आएगा इतने सारे लोगों का है. Okay. Notebook. Okay. Devil in the Damn Shell. Shiva Trilogy. Raja Bhoj Story. You Only Live Once. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. How to Influence People. Okay. I read compilation story Satyajit Ray. Attitude Change Your Life. Very good. Very good habit of reading books. But ऐसा नहीं है कि एक पढ़ा दो पढ़ा और छोड़ दिया. Every week, even I have this habit of reading at least 2 pages before going to sleep. At least 2 pages before you go to sleep. Okay. I have around a collection of 2,500 books in my house. A wall is filled with books, and even in my office, when you come, you'll see many books in my office. So read a book, because a book takes you. It पहला है जब हम पढ़ते हैं ना, तो हमारा एक क्रिएटिविटी लेवल अलग आता है उसके अंदर. The book takes you into the different world. अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है ना कि यार मैं तो पढ़ ही नहीं पाता हूँ यार, क्या करूं, मेरे को 2 पेज के बाद मेरे को नींद आ जाती है. 2 महीना पैसा सेव करो और खरीदो. मम्मी से 2-2 रुपया 10-10 रुपया लेके पैसा सेव करो और फिर खरीदो. जब पैसे लगेंगे ना, अपने आप वो बुक खोल के सारे पेज पढ़ो. ठीक है, तो वो करना. If you think that you are not able to concentrate in a book, take a pen and go line by line. If you are having a pen, go line by line. If this is a line, I have to go line by line while reading like this, so that you will be able to read books more often, and books will teach you. Even if today I can speak in front of you, that is because of books, because I have that knowledge of books and I can read books again and again, again and again, again, again. So that will help you, and that is the best habit to cultivate at this age. When I was in hostel, no TV, nothing. Only one bed, one pillow, one fan, and one window. But I took out those 4 years by buying books and books and books and again reading books, so that you get that experience of reading books. So always cultivate this good habit of reading books, not on Kindle. Okay? नहीं तो सेशन खत्म होगा, फिर घर पे बोलोगे पापा वो अभिनव भाई बोल रहे थे वो बुक्स पढ़ने की आदत डालो, तो एक अमेज़न से मेरे को किंडल मंगवा दो, मैं किंडल पे बुक पढ़ूंगा. Not on Kindle, please. Physical books. Okay? And you have to, जैसे मैंने आगे बता दिया ये, तो effective use of internet. You have to use your internet effectively. Don't waste your time in internet, please. There's a research says that you need 30 years to complete each and every video on YouTube. Do you have that much time? Then go to YouTube and sit and see all the videos. I don't mind. Okay. So do effective use for your research, for your studies, everything, because Google is very good. गुजराती में ऐसा कहते हैं कि अतिशयोक्ति कई सारी नहीं. So अतिशयोक्ति किसी भी चीज की अच्छी नहीं रहती है. So better use it effectively for yourself. Okay. Read newspapers. Okay. एवरी डे। ये ऑनलाइन पढ़ सकते हो कि अभी फिजिकल आ नहीं रहे, मेरे घर पे भी नहीं आ रहा है अभी तो यू कैन रीड दिस ऑनलाइन। उसमें क्या पढ़ना है, कैन यू टेल मी? ये पढ़ना है कि आज राहुल गांधी वहां गया था, ममता बनर्जी ने ये किया है, कहा महाराष्ट्र में मारामारी चल रही है, साउथ में, यही सब पढ़ना है ना? नेवर ever you have to read these things. Go to the column where editors picks is there, where you get to know about knowledge, you get to understand about language. There are many columnists who write their views about everything current issues, that is non-biased. फ्रंट पेज, पहले 2-3 पेज तो मम्मी को दे दिया करो, मम्मी उसपे वो कचरा बांध के फेंकने के लिए यूज करेगी, ठीक है? So that is just for headlines. Use the internal part of papers. Those who are in science, better you read an economic times or something. Sorry, if commerce, better you read some economic times and kind of things, so that you get knowledge about what economy is going on and what knowledge is you are getting. Who those who are in science, there is a book called the Science Journal where new inventions and everything comes. Read that Science Journal. Those who are in 10th, go for Reader's Digest, go for small comic books which you read, but at least have the latest, because आज का करंट अफेयर कल की हिस्ट्री है। आज का करंट अफेयर कल की हिस्ट्री है। अगर आप पढ़ोगे वो सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में आपके रजिस्टर हो जाता है। फिर कभी भी आप कुछ पूछोगे, one of my friends is in Pune, he tells me you have an elephant memory. I said I don't have an elephant memory. I kept on reading newspapers since childhood, so I know तब क्या हुआ था, कब क्या हुआ था, because I had read that religiously. तो वो आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में बैठ जाता है, तो that will help you. Okay, so and avoid negative news. पापा घर पे चैनल देख रहे हो, पापा को बोलो पापा ये सब देखने वाली बातें नहीं है, बंद कर दो। हम लोग बैठ के कार्टून देखेंगे, वो चलेगा, बट नो नेगेटिव न्यूज, नथिंग ऑन योर इंप्रेशंस ऑन योर माइंड, डोंट लेट नेगेटिव थिंग्स कम इन योर माइंड, बी इट न्यूज और एनीथिंग। कोई बोलता है ना भाई, जैसे मैंने बोला, कोई बोलता है ना ये नहीं हो पाएगा, कोई बात नहीं, जब मैं कर लूंगा तब देखेंगे, अभी चलेगा, आप ये समझ लो कि नहीं हो पाएगा। ओके ओके, एंड लर्न वन हॉबी विच यू कैन एंजॉय फॉर योर, जस्ट ऐसा आराम करने के लिए, it's relaxation, that is pottery. I guess we have pottery in VPS. I used to see that here sir sitting, and so learn pottery, learn singing, learn dancing, which relaxes you. इतना सब आप बोला है अभिनव भाई ने, इतना ये बोलो, अरे ये तो स्पोर्ट खेलने भी बोल रहे हैं, डिबेट करने भी बोल रहे हैं, बुक पढ़ने बोल रहे हैं, इंटरनेट यूज करने बोल रहे हैं, पेपर पढ़ने, तो कुछ आराम करना पड़ेगा ना। तो you do this one thing for this के भाई, one hobby I'll have pottery, singing, dancing, everything I can do it. Okay, so I love cooking, but my wife and my mother said कि तू बाहर ही ठीक है, अंदर मत आया कर किचन में। So I don't go into, I am banned in kitchen in my home, because they say you spread a lot of things here and there, तू कुछ सब यही छोड़ के चला जाता है, तेरा आना बैन है। So I don't go there. Okay, I love farming, I have a farm, so I go there, I keep on seeing new things, I keep on planting. So have one hobby which relaxes you, which calms your mind. Okay, that is one thing. We move on to next slide. Okay, so this is my slide for thanking VPS. Some habits which I learned in VPS. Thank you for making me a better person. With just a minute, my back with nothing. Okay, here it is. Sorry for the delay. For wholesome learning in VPS, I came to know that yes, बुक के बाहर भी एक दुनिया है जो आपको समझनी है, जो सीखनी है। They made me a part of Yes Youth Club, and also that at that point I got to know that yes, some social things are also going on. That is something which I learned. That is a wholesome learning. These things which you see, I can speak well, I can go. That is, ये VPS की ही देन है, ऐसा समझ लो। क्योंकि माइक पहले पकड़ता था तो बहुत डरता था, फिर VPS में ही पकड़ा गया, VPS में से जो पकड़ लिया वो छोड़ता नहीं हूँ, कहीं पकड़ लेता हूँ तो माइक। ओके, सो दिस इज वन थिंग व्हिच यू हैव टू नो, सो आई हैव टू थैंक VPS फॉर दैट। थैंक यू VPS फॉर इंकलकेटिंग योगा एंड प्राणायाम इनटू माय लाइफ। अभी आप लोगों को लग रहा है क्या सुबह सुबह हमको ये सब करवाते हो? माइंड यू, आई एम टेलिंग यू पीपल, ये मेरी एज में आ जाओगे ना 27-28 के बाद, तुमको लगेगा अरे ये तो बहुत सही चीज सीखे थे हम लोग। And then you have to, many of my friends are paying for doing this, which I have learned in school. Okay, many of my friends are paying for getting to know Ramayana and Mahabharata and all. We have learned this by, हमारा स्कूल पहले से था, हम पढ़ के आए वहां से, तुम्हारे उधर नहीं था, हमारे उधर पहले से था योगा और ये सब। Okay, so that is one thing. Today I am into a better grooming. Thank you for very much for grooming me into a better speaker. At that time, I know Vaishali ma'am sent specially 2 to 3 children to SSR college all the way. वैन थी हमारी BPS की, उसमें बैठ के हम लोग गए थे all the way to SSR college just for a debate competition. She sent me to ICWAI. I was the alone guy to go there. Then बहुत जगह भेजा मुझे. I was the alone guy to go. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
excuse me, we got like each and every event we got first prize. And
Yes.
we were just 12 students that time. I remember debate, poster making, everything. That
Yes.
day is like we all were practicing everything together.
Yes.
And you participated and we won the trophy also.
Yes, yes, ma'am. So thank you for that. Thank you very much. Thank you for all the love. See, I said आज भी वैशाली मैम बोल रही थी, I had that goosebump. I'm still having that feeling, adrenaline rush in my body. That yes, I'm speaking for my school. I'm helping my school some way because Chanakya says that if you want to have an impact of lifetime on somebody, you need to teach him. If you want to improve your generations for 10 years, plant a tree. If you want it for 20 years, you get a farming done. But if you want it for lifetime, bring up a school, teach people. That is what I have always learned. And what I have learned from teachers, that the selfless thing which teachers give is it is at the different level. And that is why कहते भी है कि गुरु गोविंद दोनों खड़े काके लागो पाए बलिहारी गुरु आपनी गोविंद दियो बताए. जिसने कबीर के दोहे सुने हैं, वो कबीर के दोहे में यही है कि गुरु और भगवान दोनों खड़े हैं, बट पांव छूने के लिए हम गुरु का छूते हैं क्योंकि गुरु ही है जिसने हमें गोविंद से मिलाया है. So thank you very much. We are all fortunate to have enough to have VPS as our alumnus. We all, हम लोग सब, believe me, I am associated with many people, many schools. I have never seen a tea time talk or something had been done to help students focus about their careers. 11, 12 पढ़ाई हो गई, बहुत है. पढ़ाई के ऊपर दुनिया ही नहीं है वहां पे. Okay, but we are fortunate enough कि हमारे पास ऐसी दुनिया है, ऐसी जगह है जहां हम आके सब, एक फोरम है जहां हम आके डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. हमारे पास ऐसे टीचर्स है जिनके साथ हम ओपनली सब चीजें डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. नहीं तो कहीं कहीं ऐसा है कि टीचर्स फोन नहीं उठाते 2 बजे के बाद, टाइम खत्म, कल सुबह खाना जब है. Okay, so that is something which we have learned. So we are all fortunate enough. We should always have that gratitude towards our school, that our school has given us many things. Okay, and now why choose the entrepreneur life? Why I always tell you people, because you all are future of India, and why you all should aim to become an entrepreneur in your life, so that you have full control over your destiny. You are the one who will be able to decide your destiny. Entrepreneurs are innovators, as I told. You have to be an innovator to stand out in the crowd. Okay, a person who stands out in the crowd is an innovator. Definitely he's an innovator. If you see he's standing out from the crowd, he is definitely an innovator. Okay, you have opportunity to change lives of people. Today, the innovators of Flipkart, the innovators of Amazon, Tesla, what they have done, what are they doing? They are changing the lives of people. They're changing lives of people. So as entrepreneur, as innovator, you have that power to change that life. To change today everything. What did Zoom do? How are we meeting today? Because that innovation brought people. Okay, it provides an adrenaline rush that is hard to duplicate. जो मजा entrepreneurship में है, वो मजा कहीं नहीं है. I am telling you, roller coaster ride से भी ज़्यादा अच्छा entrepreneurship है. Okay, you will become a role model. You'll become a role model for people. You'll coach them. You'll help them become entrepreneurs. That is you becoming a role model. You'll never be bored, because entrepreneur's life is like that ECG of you see in doctor's hospital, ECG machine. It comes up and down it goes. So it's very exciting life to become an entrepreneur, to choose to become an entrepreneur in whichever field you want to become, not just business, whichever field you want to become. Okay, entrepreneurs are the person who create something from nothing. Okay, entrepreneurs are the people who create something from nothing. Okay, Amazon was nothing, Apple was nothing. They created something from that, and that is wo maza hai uska. Okay, and unlimited self motivation. This is, I guess, the end of the slide, and this self motivation I am telling you. अपने आप को motivate करते रहो. And the best thing which I do is always do it. It is known as the art of self-appreciation. Okay? Don't wait others to appreciate you. Appreciate yourself. अरे अभिनव बहुत बढ़िया काम किया, चल एकदम बढ़िया. अरे वाह हरित, क्या काम किया है तूने, चलो. That self-appreciation will help you boost your confidence. और जब self appreciate करते लगोगे ना अपने आप को, you'll not wait for any other's appreciation. Okay? And that will help you give you self motivation. क्योंकि nobody else will come and motivate you. I'm telling you, nobody else can motivate you. See, I am coming here, I'll ignite the fire. I'll come and ignite the fire in you people. But it's you who has to fuel that fire. Remember, it's you who has to fuel that fire. अगर fire में fuel नहीं डालो तो क्या होगा? खत्म. Okay? So it's you who have to. I can come and ignite. Anybody who comes to motivate, your teachers, your parents can ignite their fire. It's you who has to fuel your fire. Okay? And we can take a horse to water. We cannot make it drink. Okay? So it's you who has to keep your self-motivation up, and it's you who have to keep on moving with your self-motivation. Okay? So there is a pledge by APJ Abdul Kalam. He always he used to take this pledge whenever he used to go and speak at universities with students in schools. Okay, so this pledge, you can take a screenshot of it. Okay, and this pledge, after that, we are having a interaction round. After that interaction round, we'll have a pledge together by unmuting everyone if ma'am allows, and then we'll have this pledge and when we close it. Okay. So now I open the room for interaction. Okay. If anybody, any questions you want to know, you want to ask regarding engineering, regarding career, life, options, I am there.
Your students, you can ask questions one by one and clear your queries. I think he has covered most of the things, but still you can ask him.
Before that, children, I want everyone to switch on your videos so that we can take a picture with Mr. Abhinav. Yeah, switch on your videos. I can see only the blank screen, the few of us there. Each one of you, quickly. Same time, you can ask your questions.
Come on, I request everyone to switch on your videos so that I can see how future of India looks like.
Yeah, Dhairya, you can start. First question from Dhairya Pandya.
Okay. Is it in question and answer or chat box?
No, they can communicate with you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so Abhinav sir, can you just tell us more about entrepreneurship future in India?
There's a lot of future in entrepreneurship in India because right now we have a lot of schemes of government going on to promote entrepreneurship, and depends on what entrepreneurship we want to do and what innovations you want to bring. There is a lot of support we have for entrepreneurship and startups. We have a lot of boot camps and investors going on. You just need to hit the right button for your entrepreneurship and you can get going.
Very good.
Okay, Shruti has raised hand. Shruti?
Yes, sir, I had a question. I follow the scheduling routine. Like I make my schedule every day, but
Okay.
I often observe that I am not able to fulfill the schedule, the things that I planned every day. So does it count as procrastination? Because at the end of the day, I feel sad because ye reh gaya, wo reh gaya. Like I was supposed to do that also, but So,
Okay. So yes, so Shruti, I would like to tell you, I thought right now, what is the SMART goal? So that should be achievable. Either it is not achievable, that is the reason you are not able to complete it, and start from small goals. Okay, keep your schedule free and start from doing small things for 21 days. Research says that if you do anything for 21 days, it becomes a habit. Okay, so for 21 days and fixed schedule, not too much. What mistake we do, what I used to do is we fill it too much. Itna sara karna hai. वो नहीं करना है हमको. Start with small schedules, small things. School का time, classes का time, sports का time, and dinner and lunch. Just that much. उसके बाद जैसे हम लोग करते जाएंगे ना, हम लोगों को पता चलेगा अरे इतना टाइम मेरे पास फ्री है, इतना टाइम फ्री है, इस शेड्यूल में मैं ये सेट कर सकती हूँ, इस शेड्यूल में मैं ये सेट कर सकती हूँ. So first make it achievable. so that you can achieve it every day, and then you can go by that. जब आपको confidence है कि yes, I am achieving it, you can go step by step. Okay, I think I'm clear.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, and I want to become a financial advisor. It is a good line. Kavya Saujani. Kavya, any line is a good line until and unless I said, as I said, you have the passion to do it. सारी लाइन बहुत अच्छी है, आप कुछ भी करो, बट आपके पास उस चीज का पैशन और डेडिकेशन होना चाहिए. Okay, so you should have passion. You financial advisor is one of the finest line we have in our country. A financial advisor is the one who runs the economy, but you should have that passion to do that work. Financial advisor बनो तो फिर ऐसा बनो कि लोग आपकी मिसाल दें. Okay, so वो passion आपके पास होना चाहिए. वहां आपको पीछे उसके पीछे लग जाना चाहिए, फिर उसको छोड़ना नहीं है, फिर यहाँ बिठा रखना है उसको, नहीं ऐसा ही बनना है, यही करना है ऐसा. Okay. Then I have a question. I want to do BSc in agriculture. One of the finest lines in India to do BSc in agriculture, and one of the most I can say untouched line till now. लोग BSc agriculture करके काफी लोग अभी सिर्फ government jobs पे focus करते हैं. But if you do, because I know one of my friends who has in Kalyan, he has given his farm to an agriculturist who runs his organic farms and sells his all products in Mumbai, organic products. So he has done BSc in agriculture, and he has brought some reforms by which the cultivation time comes to shorter time, and then he can get an high produce. So it is one of the finest lines and untouched line where you can explore too much opportunities, because एक ऐसी चीज है agriculture जो इंडिया में बहुत बड़ी है. It is one of the biggest sector in India. So you can definitely go for that.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Can anybody has any other questions?
If ma'am permits me, I have one question. Actually,
Hey, ma'am, how are you?
Yeah, was great. Very nice to see you after a long time on the screen. At least
Same
you
here,
have
ma'am.
now the chubby cheeks, and you are looking ekdam grown up now.
I got married 2 years back, no? So now I'm getting 2 meals. I am getting even mother's love, and my wife also tells to eat. So I have to eat 2 times.
Oh, great. I have one question for you,
Yes, ma'am.
Abhinav.
Yes, ma'am.
You said that you were having math phobia, right?
Yes.
And with that math phobia, how you went to this automobile engineering? Because generally people says that engineering
It's all about maths.
math is must, right? So
Yes,
that, and
ma'am.
I am teaching math, so I wanted to know that with that phobia, how you went into that.
Then definitely I can tell you.
Yeah.
I always tell, if you have phobia of something ना, पंगा ले लो उससे. सबसे अच्छी चीज है, उससे पंगा ले लो. Maths से phobia था, पंगा ले लिया. And what my father taught me, because I told him that I talked in Gujarati with my father. I said, maths मैंने समझ नहीं पड़े. A derivative का लगावाना कहीं कैसे कहीं समझ पड़े नहीं, मैंने हूँ करवाना आमा. So he said, pass थवा माटे कितना जुए? So I said 33. So he said, बस पति के बाद, you score 33. I don't want a 70 child in maths. What's your strength? So I said, my strength is dynamics. My strength is vehicle maintenance practices. But he says, what are you scoring in that? I said 88, 90. I'm scoring that. So I said, बस हो गया. So you have to always focus on your strengths. अभी क्या होता है, हम लोगों को मैथ्स नहीं आता ना, तो हम मैथ्स के पीछे ही लग जाते हैं कि नहीं मैथ्स तो यार क्या है, उसमें हमारा स्ट्रेंथ हम भूल जाते हैं. ऑलवेज फोकस ऑन योर स्ट्रेंथ्स, एंड देन एक अचीवेबल टारगेट मैथ्स में बना लो कि ये मैथ्स में इतना तो करना है, हो गया. सिंपल, उससे ज्यादा कुछ चाहिए ही नहीं आपको. यू हैव टू अचीव. और मैं जैसे बोला, पंगा ले लो कि ये क्यों नहीं आता है मुझे. ऑलवेज डू दैट. मुझे ये बहुत मजा आता था, अगर कोई ये बोलेगा ना तू ये नहीं करेगा, हाँ कोई बात नहीं, अभी करेंगे, अब मजा आएगा, अब करके दिखाते हैं. एंड बिलीव मी फ्रेंड्स, I am telling you, on this platform, I have innumerable time I have failed in maths. Innumerable times. Unit test में तो पास ही नहीं होता था, ऐसा समझ लो. Main exam में जैसे तैसे निकल जाता था.
Abhinav,
Yes, ma'am.
don't open your bags.
No issues, ma'am. The major problem is we never discuss our failures. That
Correct.
is why I told them that you should celebrate and respect your failures. That is why जब ये failure होने के बाद success मिलती है ना मैम, तो वो fruit कुछ अलग ही मीठा लगता है हमको.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Thank you so much.
From-
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. So if you ask my feedback, a beautiful session, lot of learning for each one of us who has been, listening to Abhinav is what, I feel. Children can speak. If you don't have any
Actually,
questions, what?
I was thinking that today any one of you should speak and share your experience, and even I wanted to know how do you feel about tea time talk, because every time we are conducting, but virtual feedback we never take. We take them their feedback in Google form, but I want some child should speak regarding today's tea time talk, especially.
Quickly.
Nandini, can you speak?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, tea time talks are very special for us because it is something apart from the regular classes. Today it was really interactive, very informative, very fruitful for us in future, because entrepreneurship is now, we should say trending, but it is really important, and to be innovative is the need in today's society. So it was a really amazing tea time session for us. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Nandini. And this is what we want. We want each and every student should attend the tea time talk so that you will get benefit. Today you must have seen so many things you got to learn from Abhinav. Yeah, anyone else is there?
Vrishika Mistry, if you could speak.
Yes, ma'am, for sure. Today's session was really great. It helped us a lot. It helped us a lot in learning new things and making us confident enough to start our own careers and build up our future. And it also helped us in many other ways. We came to know about how we can improve our life, and we actually learned from his experience. So thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. I guess there are some more questions in chat box. If you want to ask, you can directly unmute and ask. Trish says BBA's MBA is good in Australia. Definitely it's good if you want to go and settle there. It's more than good. But that basic line सब पे apply होती है. जो भी करोगे पैशन होना चाहिए उस चीज का. ये नहीं कि मेरा भाई गया था, मेरी बहन गई है तो मैं भी वही जाके करूंगा. वो कभी खुशी कभी गम वाला. पापा MBA क्यों करना है? तो बोले बेटा दादाजी गए थे, पापा गए थे, मैं गया था तो तुझे भी जाना पड़ेगा. वैसा नहीं करना है. ठीक है. अपना पैशन जो भी करोगे ना उसमें पैशन ढूंढ लेना. विराट कोहली क्रिकेट खेलता है, 12वीं पास है, बट अपना पैशन ढूंढता है तो आज टॉप मोस्ट क्रिकेटर है. क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो फुटबॉल खेलता है लेकिन अब उसका पैशन है, उसको पैशनेटली करता है तो वो आज टॉप मोस्ट फुटबॉलर है. वैसा ही है. नरेंद्र मोदी आज PM है, he is passionate about politics, that is why he is at that position. So you have to do anything, you do it with passion. If you don't become that guy के अरे वो तो होना ही नहीं है, अपने से तो होगा ही नहीं, चलो छोड़ देते हैं, वो नहीं करना है. कोई कर रहा है इसलिए हमें नहीं करना, बिल्कुल नहीं करना. वो हमें क्या चाहिए वो हमें पता है. जैसे मैंने आप सबको बोला, आप अपनी डेस्टिनी खुद डिसाइड करो. एंड व्हाट आई टोल्ड इज सिट विथ योर पेरेंट्स एटलीस्ट ट्वाइस अ डे. सिट विथ योर पेरेंट्स. जो ज्ञान पिताजी माताजी दे देंगे वो और कोई नहीं दे पाएगा. मैं लिख के दे सकता हूँ अभी यहाँ पे. जो आपको लाइफ के बारे में थॉट्स आपको वो दे सकते हैं, आपको लाइफ के एग्जांपल्स दे सकते हैं, वो कोई नहीं दे सकता. यू हैव टू सिट विद हिम. अगर उनके पास टाइम नहीं है तो उनको बोलो नहीं मुझे तो बैठना ही है, आधा घंटा बैठना है तो बैठो, मुझे नहीं मालूम, मेरे साथ बैठो. So you have to do that, and whatever you do it passionately. Have passion in that. Because I said passion is priceless. Whenever I hire people into my firm, I look into passion. I don't look at their skills. Skills तो हो ही जाएंगे, वो मेरे उधर आएगा, काम करेगा, सीख ही जाएगा. Skills 1 महीने नहीं, 2 महीने नहीं, 3 महीने में स्किल उसकी आ जाएगी. उसका पैशन कितना है. गुजराती का एक वर्ड है जिसे कहते हैं धगस. मतलब उसकी जिज्ञासा कितनी है उस चीज में, आपकी क्यूरियोसिटी कितनी है किसी चीज में. अगर आपको डॉक्टर बनना है तो आपको पता है कहाँ जाना है, पढ़ना है. आपको डॉक्टर बनना है, आपको गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट बनना है, आपको पता है टॉप गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट इंस्टीट्यूट कौन सी है. क्या आपने उसके लिए एम किया है? क्या आपने वहां जाने के लिए उसमें किस तरीके की मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी वो आपने किया है? वो पहले करो आप. ताकि आपका मेजरेबल हो जाएगा सब चीज कि अगर हाँ मुझे यहाँ जाने के लिए इसकी एंट्रेंस टेस्ट देनी है तो मुझे यही करना है, फिक्स है। बट अगर नहीं हुआ तो भी मजा आएगा कि चलो एक्सपीरियंस तो आया, चलो मैं सीखा तो सही। बिकॉज यू विल नेवर फेल इन लाइफ, यू विल ऑलवेज लर्न समथिंग, you will never fail in life, you will always learn something or the other, new things, something or the other. I wanted to go to Germany, and then I did 2 classes of Germany, A1 and A2, 2 levels, and I cleared 2 levels, and then I didn't go, but still I thought, oh chalo German to seekh gaye. So that is the thing, you have to learn and you have to create that curiosity. अगर मुझे जर्मनी जाना था तो मुझे पता था कि मैं इंजीनियरिंग के फर्स्ट ईयर से ही जर्मन क्लासेस लगा लिया था कि हाँ मैं जब फाइनल ईयर तक आऊंगा तो मुझे जर्मन आ जाएगी, मुझे एडमिशन मिल जाएगा। सो यू हैव टू मेक योर गोल्स मेजरेबल। तो वो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि मेरा ये गोल यहाँ अचीव होना चाहिए, वो आप कर लो, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है। मुझे लगता है 70% ने ये नहीं किया होगा, बिकॉज हमें पता है यहाँ कौन सा जाना है, 3-4 कॉलेज मालूम है, लेकिन क्या मेहनत करनी है उसके पीछे वो नहीं मालूम। और जो भी करना है पैशनेटली करना है। अगर इफ यू वांट टू बिकम अ बार्बर, गो बिग लाइक जावेद हबीब। If you want to open a laundry, go big like Laundromat. If you want to become a hotelier, go like Deltin, big like Delta Group. But go and achieve, always dream big. छोटा तो सोचना ही नहीं है, पाप है, दिमाग रखना। छोटा दिमाग में घुसा लो, छोटा सोचना पाप है। Always dream, if you are thinking of entrepreneurship, if you are becoming a doctor, always dream big, बड़ा सोचो। कोई बोले, लोग हंसने चाहिए, अरे ये क्या बोल रहा है, हाँ वो करूंगा। बड़ा सोचो, you have to think big, because नहीं होगा ना, how will you break the barriers if you don't think big? Because the barrier is big itself in front of you. You need to think at least bigger than that barrier to cross that barrier. So you have to think big. Yes, I have to become. If you want to become the financial leader, become the finest financial advisor. People will look up to you. जब रहोगे ना, लोग बोलेंगे हाँ ये बंदा है, इससे मिल जा, फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर चाहिए, इससे मिलवाता हूँ रुक तुझे। And always transmit positive energy. People will love you because of your energy. Whenever you go, transmit positive energy. Always keep smiling. Always keep smiling. No matter what, keep smiling. But always transmit positive energy. No matter what happens to you at back end. But हंसते रहो और खुश रहो, मिलते रहो लोगों को. Keep meeting people. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, अभी कोई मिलता है ना, if you go to a function, always remember, go to a function, हम लोग बाजू में कौन बैठा ना उससे मिलते ही नहीं, उससे बात भी नहीं करते। अभी तो शादी बंद है, फंक्शन कोई बंद है। हम लोग स्कूल में भी अगर बैठे ना तो बाजू में कौन सा लड़का बैठा वो भी मालूम नहीं। I never used to do that. I never used to do it. Even वैशाली मैम knows. I used to know everybody from junior KG to everyone. जब मिलो पूछो हाँ कौन है तू, क्या करता है, अच्छा ओके। Everybody will start knowing you. Everybody will know you. Know that person जो बाजू में बैठा है ना, उससे नेटवर्क करो, उसको पूछो कि आप क्या करते हो, how will you help. कहीं ना कहीं से कुछ ना कुछ कनेक्शन आ जाए। किसी कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेना चाहते हो और वो प्रोफेसर ही निकला बाजू वाला, तो आपका क्या नुकसान है। So you have to always do that. Meet people. You have to, because see one thing at the end of the day, you should know कि आपको 2 लोगों से अच्छे से बात करना आना चाहिए। So that your parents feel proud, your school feels proud. ये हमारा alumni है, ये बंदी है जो हमारे स्कूल में पढ़ती थी, आज ये यहाँ इस लेवल पे। आज IIT खड़गपुर ऐसा बोलता है कि नहीं, सुंदर पिचाई हमारा एल्यूमनी है। कैसे बोलता है? बिकॉज सुंदर पिचाई ने वो अचीवमेंट किया है। सो बी लाइक दैट एंड कीप स्माइलिंग नो मैटर व्हाट। नेवर एवर मेक फेसेस एंड मम्मी आउट थैंक यू, पापा आउट देख लेंगे फिर से। हैव दैट कॉन्फिडेंस इन योरसेल्फ बिकॉज यू आर द पर्सन हु इज गोइंग टू बीट दैट। आप लिख के रख लो, अगर आप ठान लोगे तो कुछ भी हो सकता है, लेकिन ठानना पड़ेगा। फिर ऐसा नहीं कि अरे वो तो बोले थे अभिनव भाई कि होना चाहिए लेकिन हो नहीं रहा है, तो बैठने से नहीं होगा। ओके, एंड somebody wrote in the chat box how to not procrastinate is to act. Simple. If you procrastinate कि ये तो कल करूंगा, परसों करूंगा, नरसों करूंगा, simple word is you have to act on it. If you don't want to procrastinate, you have to act on it. Act करो उधर, तभी के तभी उसको खत्म करो चीज।
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
God, I must. You made us speechless. And मुझे लगता है मैं और रेखा मैम तो ये सोचने लग गए होंगे कि हम लोग शायद स्कूल में होते, अभी 9th-10th में होते तो क्या होता। इतना सारा आज सीखने को मिला, और ये तो हमने आपको कुछ सिखाया ही नहीं था, ऐसे मुझे लगा। कहाँ से आपने इतना सारा सीख लिया। And see, children, it is not like that. PPT तो हम सब नेट से कलेक्ट करके बना सकते हैं. But ये जो आज की PPT थी, वो he has experienced that. He has inculcated in himself. He has followed it. And then वो reflection अलग है. ये सब information without doing also on net पे available है. Read the books and all. But आपको book read करते हो तो which book you are reading? You should be able to share everything. And that is possible only when if you do it, if you follow it, you experience it. तो PPT देख के ऐसा जरा भी नहीं लगा कि it is made PPT है. ऐसा लगा कि ये really follow की हुई है and तभी उसका result दिख रहा है. He just maybe 28, 29 years old and अभी
27.
27 and अभी तो आगे कितनी लंबी दुनिया है. And जो हम बोल रहे हैं कि what Alpa ma'am wants to inculcate qualities of global citizen. Have you noticed? Hard work है, marketing है, punctuality है. आपके पहले he had joined the talk. Being a speaker, he did not keep us waiting. Sharp 4 means sharp 4. He was there online, right? Plus values है. और क्या रह गया? Teamwork है. Everything is there. So it is the effect of VPS. So you should grab the opportunity, whatever you are getting from school. Ajalpa ma'am, it was not possible for her to join, but we like so much efforts we take to plan tea time talk, but we get disappointed to see the response of our students. But today I can see really enthusiastic and really passionate students I can see for tea time talk. And next time I want हमारे seats कम पड़ने चाहिए tea time talk के लिए. All जो 100 का capacity है वो fulfill हो जाना चाहिए, right? So that you will definitely इसका आगे कभी ना कभी फायदा होगा आपको. And हमको भी लगेगा कि yes, whatever we have taken efforts for students, we can see so that maximum number we will only get our alumni only for tea time talk. Like Abhinav, he is he has achieved a lot, but still we can tell him Abhinav Bhaiya, and we can take his advice. He will always be in touch with us. So whenever we will need advice, guidance, he will be with us. So thank you, Abhinav. Like really, और जो कहते हैं ना, you have really spread positivity with each and every sentence was important. Okay.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you, Rekha ma'am.
Google feedback link. You have to share your feedback before leaving.
Thank you very much, everyone, for joining. Thank you, ma'am.
As a token of love, thank you. Slide we have made for you, Abhinav.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. I'm overwhelmed by this. And definitely it's so much, I'm very much happy to see you, Rekha ma'am, Yagna ma'am. I'm very much happy. And whenever the school starts, I'll surely come and take your blessings. Because I always believe these blessings are like insurance policies. You need to keep on renewing them so that uska effect rehta hai aapke upar.
Yeah, our blessings are always with you and you grow well, and definitely in between with your achievements, we will keep on calling you for tea time talks.
Thank you, ma'am. As I said, I'm ready.
Students will be changing. So we want like different year students should get the benefit.
Definitely, ma'am. I'm telling you, I'm ready even at the stroke of midnight, anytime. No issues.
Yeah. Students, please start filling the feedback form. Before leaving the meeting, everyone has to fill the feedback form.
I've shared the link again, huh, ma'am?
Yeah, it is shared on in chat box. Please
again,
share.
I have shared the link for them.
Thank you, Abhinav. I will share with you the pictures of today's tea time talk.
Okay.
Thank you so much
Thank
on
you,
behalf
ma'am.
of VPS staff.